What's up, Top Ravers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today we are comparing two of the most popular compact sedans in India, the Maruti Suzuki Dzire and the Honda Amaze. These cars dominate their segment with style, performance and features, making them perfect choices for city and highway drives. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading, stay tuned as we break down their design, interiors, driving experience, safety, tech and pricing to help you decide which one deserves your garage space. Starting with the exteriors, the Dzire sports a sleek, rounded design, highlighted by chrome accents and LED DRLs, while the Amaze leans towards a bold, boxy look, complemented by a wide grille and sharp creases. Both cars stand out in their own way, but the Amaze's design feels a tad bit more aggressive, appealing to those who like a commanding road presence. Step inside and the Dzire offers a nice cabin feel, a floating touchscreen and cushioned seats designed for comfort. The Amaze counters with a cleaner dashboard layout and more premium materials. In its higher trims, both deliver good legroom and practicality, but the Dzire edges ahead in tech convenience. When it comes to performance, the Dzire is powered by a 1.2-litre petrol engine with smooth manual and AMT options. It offers excellent mileage, making it the more economical choice. On the other hand, the Amaze has the 1.2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine which delivers a more refined drive, especially with its CVT option, ideal for city traffic and long commutes. While the Dzire feels light and nimble, the Amaze offers better high-speed stability. For enthusiasts, the Amaze's CVT paddle shifters add an engaging element to the drive. However, if fuel efficiency and maintenance costs are a priority, the Dzire takes the crown. The Maruti Suzuki Dzire earns a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, making it one of the safest sedans in its class. Key safety features include up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold assist and a 360-degree camera. Meanwhile, the Honda Amaze sets itself apart as the first subcompact sedan in India equipped with Honda Sensing ADAS technology. This camera-based system brings advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking, and automatic high beams. While the Dzire focuses on structural safety and comprehensive features, the Amaze takes the lead in active safety with ADAS. However, being camera-based, this system lacks some capabilities found in radar-based ADAS setups, common in higher-end cars. Still, both sedans ensure peace of mind for everyday driving. Both cars come with touchscreen infotainment systems featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pricing is where these cars seal the deal. The Dzire starts at 6.79 lakhs and goes up to 10.14 lakhs, while the Amaze ranges between 7.05 lakhs and goes up to 10.9 lakhs ex-showroom. For those on a budget or seeking low running costs, the Dzire is the logical choice. However, if you value a premium feel and Honda's reliability, the Amaze justifies its price. So which car is the winner? The Dzire shines in fuel efficiency, safety and affordability, making it a no-brainer for practical buyers. The Amaze brings premium design, a refined drive and Honda's reliability to the table. Ultimately, the choice depends on what matters most to you. Let us know your pick in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car comparisons. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe and drive safe. Bye bye.